I posted 30 shorts in 30 days, and the results will surprise you. Or they may not. I wasn't surprised. Stick around to the end of the video and I will show you my results. March, I tried to put a short out every day for 30 days, which was very challenging. And it became more annoying than anything else. But did it pay off in the end? Let's see. Some of the problems I ran into was my shorts are all over the place, really. My whole channel is still, because I'm still growing and figuring out what I want to do. You know how it is. I got arm wrestling videos, I got cat videos, reaction videos, audio equipment videos, random videos, AI quote videos, cast iron pan videos, you name it. Without a specific topic to focus in on, it's kind of hard to film that sporadically different things just as they come up. So that was one of the challenges. Let's run through this really quick. Let's look at the last 90 days and see what that looks like. As you can see, there's not like a crazy jump between views from previous month to March, even into April. There's not a big difference here. Let's take a closer look to why that might be. We are gonna look at shorts. Let's start looking at February so we can compare it to March. In February, I had 27,600 views. I had 652 likes, and I had 64 subscribers. This was just from my shorts. And you can see, like, there was a good bit down here, but not a whole lot. And let's go look at March. See, you can see there's way more shorts down here. Sometimes there's a gap, but there was 2 here, and I think it just doesn't show that it went on that day, but it was posted that day. Same here, and there was even some long form content in there as well. March, I had 33,800 views. I had 593 likes and 69 subscribers. Math warning, I did all the math, so just listen. I put out 30 shorts in 30 days compared to the 20 that I, on average, normally do. So that's 50% more shorts. So let's see how that impacted my views. Ignore the green arrows and percents because those are for different ranges. So yeah, I put in more videos, I got more views, but I got less likes and just a little bit more subscribers. I didn't get 50% more views, I got 20, 22. I didn't get 50% more likes, I got -10. Because the videos weren't as good. I didn't get 50% more subscribers, I got 8% more for 50% more work. So that doesn't seem like it's worth it to me. I think what's worth it is putting more effort into higher quality videos than putting out a short every day for 30 days. That's also very tiring. My progress so far for becoming a partner for YouTube, which means you can monetize your channel to get money from ads and whatnot. I'm just doing this just to do it. I don't know, just to see if I can. So we're at almost 500 subscribers. We need 1,000, and that's within, well, that doesn't have a time limit, but I put my own time limit of a year because this one has a 1-year rolling year time frame. So we are at 1,438 watch hours of 4,000. This is the tricky part. This will start to fall behind if I don't keep track of it. The subscriber count will continue to go up. This can drop if you had a video that did really well and then it rolls past 365 days, you will drop watch hours, which is what I'm afraid of because I had some videos that had a lot of views early in the year. I'm not going for the 10 million views in 90 days on shorts. That's crazy. I have 85,000, which I don't know, that's a lot to me, but it's like 1% of the way there. I learned a lot doing this. Putting in 50% more videos doesn't mean 50% more views, likes, and subscribers. It depends on the quality of the content you're doing. There isn't some kind of compounding effect that tricks the YouTube algorithm into pushing your content more just because you did 30 videos in a row. My plan moving into April will be to focus more on some of the content that's been doing well and try to make those videos better. If you would like to support me and support the channel, what I'm doing, there is a PayPal donation link in the description below. It will help with things like the giveaways that I like to do. I would like to do another giveaway, but I need to save up for that. Those aren't cheap. And I don't want to do something too cheap. I can do something kind of cheap. I have some cheap stuff sitting over there, but I don't know if you guys want free cheap stuff. Let me know if you do. They're probably like $10 each, and I got like 4 of them. I'm not going to tell you what they are yet. But let me know if you would be interested in 4 $10 free things as a raffle. The only hint is you've seen something similar on the channel before. And it's not a cat.